Hi, welcome to problem 27. Here we have two capacitors and a battery hooked up, and we are missing the capacitance of A. So it is given that capacitor A stores 60 microcoulombs of charge, and because it's in a series, the charge stays the same, so we know that both capacitors have 60 microcoulombs of charge. So, to find a capacitor of A, we will use the equation delta V equals Q over C, and when we rearrange it, we get C equals Q over delta V. Plug in all what we know, and we get that the equivalence capacitance is 5 microfarads. And then once we plug it into the equivalent capacitance equation, we are able to determine the capacitance of A. And we do it under 1 because the capacitors are in the series. And then so we put the equivalence capacitance here, and we put what we know, and we put our variable right here. And then going through the algebra, we get capacitance of A equals 15 over 2, and therefore it is 7.5 microfarads. And this is just one way to do it. Jose will show you another way.
Hi, my name is Jose, and we're going to be working on problem 27. So this problem is asking us to find the capacitance of A. We can solve this by using this equation right here, Q equals change in voltage times the capacitance. The first thing we're going to need to do to solve for this equation is to find our unknown, and our unknown is voltage. Our voltage can be found by subtracting the voltage of P to the voltage of 12. This is because this is a series, so the total voltage across the entire circuit is going to be 12, given by this equation right here. To find the voltage of B, we can go back to this equation and just plug in all of our givens. Since this is a series, we know that the charge at B is going to be the same as the charge of A, 60 microcoulombs. So once we plug everything in, we get the voltage of B, which is 4 volts. Then we just subtract 4 volts from 12 volts, and it should give us the volts of A, which is 8. And now we have everything we need to know to solve for the capacitance of A. So we just plug all of our knowns into this equation, and it's going to give us the answer, 7.5 microfarads.